Why you should eat on a banana leaf? Did you know banana leaves are one of the healthiest and eco-friendliest way to serve food? They are 100% natural, biodegradable and chemical free, no need to wash plates. When hot food touches the leaf, it releases a subtle aroma and natural antioxidants, boosting flavor and immunity. It's hygienic, cost effective, and supports sustainable living. So, next time you serve a meal, choose banana leaves. Good for you, good for the planet. Eat green, life clean. If you like this video, then like, share, and follow for more eco tips.